Welcome back to our weekly update. I'm Charlotte McLeod with investingnews.com, and we're going to run through a few of this week's biggest stories in the mining industry. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and of course, leave us a comment below. Let's get into it.
It's been quite a week for the gold price. The yellow metal continued its record-breaking streak early in the period, touching the $3,500 per ounce level for the first time, but then saw a sharp pullback, even dropping briefly below the $3,300 mark on April 23rd. What's behind gold's latest moves? Market watchers have pointed to U.S. President Donald Trump's comments about Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell as the trigger for its latest spike. In a Truth Social post on April 21st, Trump said there could be a slowing of the economy unless Powell, who he referred to as Mr. Too Late, lowers interest rates. Trump has criticized Powell heavily in recent days, saying last week that his termination cannot come fast enough. That statement reignited discussions on whether Trump has the ability to fire Powell. Powell has said previously that it can't be done, and there isn't any precedent since no president has ever tried to oust a Fed chair. For now, the tension has subsided. Trump walked back his harsh words about Powell on April 22nd, saying he doesn't intend to fire him, but still wants to see interest rate cuts. Going back to gold, I heard from Vince Lanci of GoldFix this week, who offered an alternate view on the reason for gold's price jump. Here's what he said.
Gold goes up $400 in a little over a month. Was that Trump, Powell? No. The last $50? Maybe, but the people who understand know that the Trump-Powell issue is a non-issue. And it's really the issue is gold's going up because the trade war, like it or not, who likes it? The trade war, is an acceleration of what's been going on throughout the world anyway. So this acceleration makes people pay attention. Oh, look at that. They are selling treasuries. China is unfair. Trump is being crazy. All these things come together. And it's like, well, politically, I'm left-leaning and I don't like Trump, so I'm going to buy gold. Politically, I'm right-leaning and I think China is really bad, so I'm going to buy gold. And so you have this, this perfect storm. It kind of unites the hate, But Trump and Powell, the reason gold's going up, to paraphrase my friend Tom Luongo, the reason he'll put it in one sentence, the reason gold's going up is because geopolitical. And Trump Powell is not geopolitical in that sense.
I'll leave the link to the full interview with Vince below. Definitely check out the conversation for more on what could be next for gold. Barrick Gold said on April 22nd that it's reached an agreement to sell its 50% stake in the Alaska-based Donlin gold project to affiliates of Paulson Advisors and Nova Gold Resources. The major gold miner will sell its interest in Donlin for $1 billion US in cash, with Paulson providing $800 million and Nova Gold contributing the other $200 million. Once the deal closes, Paulson will have a 40% interest in Donlin, while Nova Gold's stake in the asset will rise from 50% to 60%. Barrick President and CEO Mark Bristow said Donlin is an asset that might be better suited in the hands of others, adding that the company is exiting at an attractive valuation. While Donlin is one of the world's largest gold projects, the lack of infrastructure in its remote northern location has made development difficult. At the same time, Barrick is looking to hone in on Tier 1 assets and boost its copper exposure. Thomas Kaplan, chair of Nova Gold, said in a conference call after the sale was announced that his company did not see eye to eye on a couple of things with Barrick, including the timing for a feasibility study for Donlin. Paulson Advisors, a longtime Nova Gold shareholder, is chaired by American billionaire John Paulson, who's known for betting against the housing market during the Great Financial Crisis. In an interview with Bloomberg this week, he said gold is moving to a new level of valuation as central banks continue to buy. In other gold M&A news, CMOC Group has agreed to buy Lumina Gold in a transaction worth $581 million Canadian dollars. The all-cash deal will see CMOC pay $1.27 per Lumina share. Lumina is focused on its Cangrejos project, which it says is the largest primary gold deposit in Ecuador. A pre-feasibility study completed in 2023 outlines a 26-year mine life for the asset, with average annual payable production of 371,000 ounces of gold, plus average annual payable byproduct production of 41 million pounds of copper. Well-known mining industry figure Ross Beatty is Lumina's largest shareholder, while CMOC is a major producer of metals like molybdenum, tungsten, copper, and cobalt.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'd also love to hear your thoughts, so leave us a comment below.